In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change calendar event time on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up calendar app. After that we need to head over to a specific day in which we have an event. All the days with events marked with that gray dot. If we get into some day, it will show us event inside it. And then we need to tap at the event to head over to events card. After that, we need to tap at edit. Now it says that the event starts at January 16th at 20 o'clock and ends in 21 o'clock. We can easily change both of these dates. So let's say I would like to end it at 25th of January at, let's say, 15 o'clock. And also in the same way we can change start date. We can switch it to, let's say, January 20 and then 12 o'clock. After that, once you are done with that, just tap at done to save the changes. And if that event is repeating, you will be asked if you would like to save these changes for this event only or for all the future events. I'm gonna tap at the first option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.